If you're over 60, there's one silent problem you may not feel until it's too late. And it could already be happening inside your body right now. Your arteries may be slowly getting harder, narrower, and more clogged every single day, even if you feel fine. Most people think heart problems begin with chest pain, but in reality, your body usually whispers before it screams. Maybe you get tired faster than before. Maybe climbing stairs feels harder. Maybe your legs feel heavy, your blood pressure keeps creeping up, or you feel dizzy when standing too quickly. These signs are easy to ignore, but they could be warning lights from your arteries. And here's the scary part. Many older adults are unknowingly making the problem worse every morning at breakfast, every fast food lunch, and even with some healthy oils they've trusted for years. For decades, people were told that all vegetable oils were good for the heart, but newer research is showing something very different. Some oils may increase inflammation in the body, while others may actually help support healthy blood flow and cleaner arteries when used the right way. In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 oils that may help support your artery health naturally after 60. Some of these may already be sitting in your kitchen. And the last one surprises almost everyone because it was once unfairly blamed for heart problems. Before we begin, I want to know something. How old are you, and where are you watching from today? Drop it in the comments below. I always love hearing from our Health Insider family around the world. Now let's keep this simple. Think of your arteries like water pipes in an old house. When the pipes are clean, water flows smoothly. But over time, grease, rust, and debris build up inside. The flow slows down, pressure rises, and eventually something can burst. Your arteries work the same way. Years of processed foods, sugar, stress, smoking, lack of movement, and inflammation can damage the inner lining of your blood vessels. Then cholesterol, calcium, and plaque start sticking to the walls. Blood struggles to move freely. Your heart has to work harder, and your risk for heart attack or stroke rises. But here's the good news. Your body is constantly trying to repair itself. And certain oils contain healthy fats and compounds that may help reduce inflammation, support cholesterol balance, and protect blood vessels from damage. Let's start with number 1. Extra virgin olive oil may be one of the best-known heart-friendly oils in the world. In countries around the Mediterranean, where olive oil is used daily, rates of heart disease are often lower. Olive oil contains powerful antioxidants called polyphenols that help protect the lining of your arteries. Think of it like putting a protective coating inside your pipes to stop rust from building up. One simple habit many seniors use is replacing butter or processed dressings with olive oil on vegetables or salads. Just make sure it says extra virgin, because heavily processed olive oils lose many of the healthy compounds. Number 2 is avocado oil. This oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which may help support better cholesterol levels. It also handles heat well, making it a good option for cooking. Imagine your bloodstream like traffic on a highway. Healthy fats help keep traffic moving smoothly, while unhealthy fats can create jams and accidents. One older gentleman switched from fried fast foods cooked in cheap oils to homemade meals using avocado oil just a few times a week. Within months, he noticed more energy and improved blood pressure readings. Number 3 is flaxseed oil. Now this one is special because it contains omega-3 fatty acids, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is one of the hidden drivers behind artery damage. Flaxseed oil is not meant for high-heat cooking. Instead, try adding a small amount to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Think of omega-3s like cooling water poured onto a small fire before it spreads out of control. And if this is making sense so far, take a second and hit the like button. It really helps the channel reach more people who need this information. Number 4 is walnut oil. Many people overlook this one, but walnuts contain plant compounds that support blood vessel health. Walnut oil has a mild nutty flavor and works well in salads or cold dishes. One study found that walnuts may help the arteries stay more flexible. That matters because stiff arteries force the heart to pump harder. Flexible arteries are like soft garden hoses. Stiff arteries are like old brittle pipes ready to crack under pressure. Number 5 may surprise you. Sesame oil. This oil has been used for centuries in traditional diets and contains antioxidants that may help reduce oxidative stress in the blood vessels. Oxidative stress is like tiny sparks damaging the inside walls of your arteries over time. Sesame oil may help calm some of that damage. A small drizzle in stir-fries or soups can go a long way. Now here's something important. It's not just about adding good oils. It's also about reducing the harmful ones. Highly processed oils used in many fast foods and packaged snacks can create inflammation when eaten too often. Your body doesn't need perfection, but it does need fewer daily attacks. Number 6 is fish oil. This is technically not a cooking oil, but it deserves a place on this list because omega-3 fats from fish have been studied for heart health for many years. Fish oil may help support healthy triglyceride levels and blood circulation. Some seniors notice their joints feel better too. That's because inflammation affects more than the heart. It affects the whole body. But always talk to your doctor before taking supplements, especially if you use blood thinners. And finally, number 7, coconut oil. Now, before you click away, hear me out. Coconut oil has been heavily debated for years. While it should still be used in moderation, some experts believe small amounts of less processed coconut oil may fit into a balanced diet better than heavily refined industrial oils. The real problem is not one spoon of coconut oil, it's the overall lifestyle. Too many people focus on one ingredient while ignoring smoking, sugar, stress, poor sleep, and lack of movement. That's the bigger lesson here. Artery health is not built from one miracle food. It's built from daily habits repeated over time. Be honest with yourself for a moment. When was the last time you truly looked at your daily routine and asked, is this helping my heart or hurting it? A few years ago, a woman named Linda, who was 67, started noticing she felt exhausted after simple walks. She assumed it was just aging. But after a health scare, she slowly changed her routine. She cooked more meals at home, switched away from processed fried foods, used olive and avocado oil more often, started walking daily, and lost a little weight over time. Her doctor later told her blood pressure and cholesterol numbers had improved significantly, not because of one magic fix, because of consistent small choices. So here's a simple action plan you can start this week. First, replace heavily processed cooking oils with healthier options like olive or avocado oil. Second, try eating more whole foods instead of packaged snacks and fast foods. Third, add omega-3 rich foods like salmon, walnuts, or flaxseed into your routine. Fourth, move your body every day, even if it's just a 20-minute walk. And fifth, drink more water and manage stress as best as you can. Stress affects your arteries more than many people realize. Your body wants to heal, but it needs the right support. So let's quickly recap. Olive oil may help protect artery walls. Avocado oil may support healthy cholesterol. Flaxseed oil may reduce inflammation. Walnut oil may help arteries stay flexible. Sesame oil contains powerful antioxidants. Fish oil supports circulation and heart health. And coconut oil, when used wisely, may not be the enemy many people think it is. Small daily choices can make a big difference over time. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these oils do you already use at home? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Health Insider for more simple, science-backed health tips designed especially for adults over 60. And don't miss our next video, where we'll reveal the 5 foods that secretly damage your arteries faster after age 60. Most people eat at least one of them every single day. One quick disclaimer before we go. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always speak with your doctor or healthcare provider before making major changes to your diet, especially if you have heart disease or take medication. Take care of your heart because it's been taking care of you your entire life.